speech by Akshara.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు అక్షర. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేడు కార్గిల్ యుద్ధంలో ప్రాణాలర్పించిన సైనికులను స్మరించుకుంటూ ఈరోజు వారు చేసిన వీరోచిత యుద్ధం గురించి కొన్ని మాటలు. భారత సరిహద్దుల వద్ద వాస్తవాధీన రేఖను దాటి మన దేశంలోకి ఆక్రమంగా ప్రవేశించిన పాకిస్తాన్ సైన్యాన్ని సుమారు 80 రోజుల వీరోచిత పోరాటంతో తరిమికొట్టి 1999 జూలై 26వ తేదీన ఆపరేషన్ విజయ్ను విజయవంతంగా పూర్తి చేసిన సైన్యానికి కార్గిల్ విజయ దినోత్సవ వందనాలు. కార్గిల్ యుద్ధంలో ప్రాణాలర్పించిన 527 మంది వీర సైనికుల స్మృతికి నివాళి. జై హింద్.
सभी को नमस्कार. मेरा नाम है नुमा फरहान. मैं 7वीं कक्षा पढ़ती हूँ. आज विजय कारगिल दिवस पर हम अपने सैनिकों की बहादुरी का सम्मान करने के लिए एक साथ आए हैं. 1999 में उन्होंने कारगिल में कठिन मौसम में ऊंचे पहाड़ों और एक दृढ़ दुश्मन का सामना करते हुए बहादुरी से लड़ाई लड़ी. उनके साहस और बलिदान ने हमारे देश की सीमाओं की रक्षा की. हमें युद्ध स्मारकों पर अंकित नामों को भी कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए. कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, कैप्टन मनोज पांडे जैसे युद्ध नायक और अनगिनत अन्य शहीद जिन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान कर दी. हमारे शहीद नायकों की स्मृति को सलाम करें. जय हिंद.
Hello mom, I am coming home for holidays. Tomorrow your brother is coming to home. I have lot of work to do. Oh really? My son is coming to home. I have lot of work to do. Oh son, how are you? Fine. Oh son, sit down. Hello, officer, your holidays are cancelled. You have to report immediately.
Yes sir.
What son? What is the call? I have to report immediately. You didn't even stay with us 2 days.
Oh brother, you didn't even stay with us 2 days.
Yes, I know, but I have to leave now.
Thank you.
This is the sacrifice at the border our soldiers give us. So let us salute them and let us see the war. Hello, I am sorry to say that Captain Vikram Batra is no more.
The war came to an official end on July 1999 with the eviction of Pakistan troops from their occupied positions, thus making it as Kargil Vijay Divas. 527 soldiers from Indian Armed Forces lost their lives during the war. Captain Vikram Batra, PVC, was an officer from the Indian Army who was awarded with the Paramveer Chakra in his action during 1999 Kargil war in Kashmir between India and Pakistan.
I have lost my son, but I am proud to say that he sacrificed his life for our nation. Jai Hind.
As you know, today we are celebrating the Vijay Divas, Kargil Vijay Divas, which is we are celebrating every year, and this year is the 25th of the Kargil Vijay Divas. Beta. So reason behind this, we all know the sacrifice of the 572 our Indian armed soldiers who will be not only encouraging for us but also for the world. They show that we are not a less to anyone. This is the time period when we have seen that the people have literally, we have like a situation there where we are pressurized with the many people. You can see that in this time period, even Atal Bihari Vajpayee was pressurized by the, especially by the America, who was the one of the veto member of the our UNO. So they pressurized and they're saying that if we are not going to be withdrawn, Pakistan is going to drop the nuclear bomb in India. When they are having this type of the threat from the, especially the country like America, who was the strongest country on that time period. So what the situation we have to be, what we will do, what will be, we can have to take the decision. What the decision should be? When we have to withdraw. We have to fight. Very good. So we have done that. From the, it was started on the 3rd May and ended on the 26th July, where we have recreated in such a best manner that today we are celebrating every time like as a great courage and tribute to our Indian soldiers. That time, I remember one quote was given by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee that when he got the call from the America, that they are saying that they're going to drop the nuclear bomb in India. So Atal Bihari Vajpayee said one sentence that we are ready to sacrifice our half of the country, but next day we are not able to make them to see the sun. Make them to see the sun to whom? The Pakistan. Okay? అంటే షార్ట్ కట్లో చెప్పాలంటే మనం అంత కరేజ్గా ఉంటేనే ఈరోజు మనం ఈ డేని సెలబ్రేట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం. ఆ రోజు అటల్ బిహారీ వాజ్పేయి గారు ఒక్క నిమిషము డ్రాప్ చేయాలనుకుని ఉంటే టుడే వీ విల్ లూజ్ అవర్ POK, పాకిస్తాన్ ఆక్యుపై కశ్మీర్. సో దట్ కరేజ్ ఓన్లీ టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి మేక్ దిస్. Here I want to two things to share with you. One more is about the there was a quote was given by our Vikram Bhatta. Either I will come back after the hosting the Tiranga, or I will come back wrapping into the, but I will be back for sure. So here the courage which is given by this type of the captains will make the India today be proud. Thank you.
So before we conclude, during those days, during that war, there is a captain name is Vikram Batra. Okay, so while the war is going on, actually the Indian soldiers were in the steep slope in the sense we are at the down and the Pakistan army are there on the top. Okay, so for them it is easy to shoot the Indian soldiers, whereas we had a lot of difficulty to climb onto the top. So while they were shooting, the Vikram Batra had given the courage to the soldiers, saying in a Hindi quote, "A dil mange more." It was a slogan of Pepsi. But more than that, the courage which he has given, "A dil mange more," in the sense, the more you shoot, the more we want. Okay, so with that slogan, they were able to reach the top peak, but at the end of the day, they were all dead. But still, they were able to achieve the peak position of that height. Okay, so all together, you can say, "A dil mange more." And to dedicate them, I would like to say, hear you one song. Okay.
चलता रहा। दुश्मन का हौसला चूर किया, उन्हें हारने पे मजबूर किया। जब गोली लगी तेरे सीने में तो ठहर गई मेरी सांसें। जब तूने मुझे अलविदा कहा तो बरस गई मेरी आंखें। मिट्टी के संतानों, कारगिल के